just on the road like this. I stopped somewhere named for Wilson Arch. Then let's go and see what is up here. Look all the way up there. That's what we're going to see there. Oh my. Look at this. Oh. Oh, we're going to the arch. This really, as I say, Utah, they have some normal things. Ooh. Are we gonna make it all the way up there? Let's see. Ah. Oh my god. I should have brought my stick or something. This is a ooh. People with the graffiti down there. I think I'll take this road. Oh. Ooh. So I've worn my shoes. Oh. Just gonna cry. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm sliding back. Oh. I don't know if I came the right way. Because those people that are there, I think that side have been much better. Oh. Yeah. God damn it. Because look, there's the ground there. Now the dance is going down now. That it's something else we have to deal with. I'm not coming the way. I'm not going back the way I came in. I came in the other side. But this one, at least, you have some rocks, like kind of make a trail. The other one is just like steep uphill. So here's Urge. I can't go there because look, if you get there, On the rock, you can just slide. This side has more rocky feelings. It can give you some breaks. Look, the roads down there. Even the car looks small from this angle. Cause that's where I'm coming from. That's good. Yeah, I had to warn that parents with a child, because if you have a child and the other side, it just drops on the edge. Like, that's dangerous. Don't say they didn't warn you. That's why sometimes it's good to read those suggested signs. They are helpful, because if you just go without knowing, you may end up yourself in trouble. It just went up and back down. Whew. Just like from here, I can try to get it close. Yeah.